I have suffered a traumatic brain injury towards the end of 2020, and I was in a coma since October until December 2020. So I was out with my friends. We went dune riding, so in the desert. We went on quad bikes, and I went through a mountain, and the other side was a cliff, which I have hit my right temporal lobe, which resulted in my left side being really affected by the stroke and the traumatic brain injury. As soon as the injury happened, I fell in a coma. I wasn't necessarily able to do very much. My life before the injury was very active, very involved in sports, as well as being very well educated, always staying on top of my studies, football, basketball, or wakeboarding, any sports that I have felt a passion for. Yes, this injury was very hurtful, let's say, as I wasn't necessarily aware of the situation once I woke up from the coma. However, I was able to push through it, and the accomplishments I've achieved so far has been incredible. I came to Cereneo, and then as I was very pleased with the accomplishments I've achieved, I returned back to my country, and this year I returned back to Cereneo as they have a great plan to help me work on my deficits. At this stage, I was not mentally or cognitively able to process things that much, and physically I was having some issues with my left lower extremity and my left upper extremity. However, with cereneo, I was able to achieve accomplishments, which pleases me and my family and everyone back home. Every single person has done their absolute best to make sure the patient's life is going accordingly, and their well-being is going accordingly as well. I never expected to experience such a thing. However, I used to wake up every single day, go to therapies with a smile on my face, and do my 200% effort to achieve the maximum of what was happening. With that mindset, I was able to achieve a lot, as it would be hard for a traumatic brain injury patient to walk, talk, eat, have fun, go out, come back with no worries. And going into therapies with a positive mindset and a positive mood, that really helped change on how I looked on the perspectives of things.